It's time again for Twin Talk with Shaquille and Shaquem, brought to you by the Sunset Auto Family. Are you ready, guys? Okay, let's get started. What's the most irritating question you get asked as twins?
Are y'all twins?
Yeah.
I'm like, no, we cousins.
But how y'all cousins if y'all twins?
We twin cousins, first of its kind.
Okay, round two. Name the very best place to get your new Chevrolet.
That's easy. It's Sunset Chevrolet.
That's right, guys. You'll get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life on practically every vehicle in Sunset's huge inventory. It's a Sunset exclusive. Oh, before we go, can we all sing the jingle together just one time?
Come on, you know the place. Sunset Chevrolet.
Sunset